Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today is not a beautiful day because it's quite raining and really cold. Yeah, and really cold. I can feel it's really cold now. It's about maybe 9 degrees, maybe, I don't know. 9 degrees right now, I don't know. Okay, so I will eat hot pot for the dinner to warm up my body. Yeah, in lovely, man. Yes, so let's go to find out if the hot pot in Australia is different from Vietnam. Maybe, I don't know. So let's find out. Let's go.
这现在上面那个上背景，你帮我看一下，这星期天都有可能也要插着。但是那个嘛，他看他星期几几点到几点？
没显示，也没有说提出说。
对呀，他都是到6点，对吧？到6点1个小时，对吧？
到写半个小时。
半个小时。地方呢，这里边到7点，那就不行了。帮我看一下，到8点，那这都不行。
他说到星期六。
这2个小时吗？这不可以吗？
So now I arrived in the land Waverly for the hot pot and it's still running. Yeah, it's still running. So we will see what is inside this restaurant. Okay? You know, my aunt said that this is the restaurant will be. I will go to eat the hot pot. So let's see what inside this restaurant. Okay? Hello everyone. So right now I'm standing in front of the restaurant for the hot pot. So my hot pot is the Chinese version. Yeah, the Chinese version, and it's in the second block. You see? Right. Never mind. In the second block. Right, yeah, okay. So we see in the second block what is the hot pot there. Okay? So right now I'm in the hot pot. So let's see. I have called for the tom yum and mushroom soup. So let's see. Okay, after the dinner, I'm really full right now, and the food was really delicious, and the dessert too. So this is a recommended restaurant for buffet hot pot in Chinese version. Thank you for your watching. Please click on a like and a subscribe for my channel. Thank you.